So, hashtag Light told me to record something about my spreadsheets. So here's something I've been working on today. What you see here is what I called the code generator, but basically it's just something that like looks up the using the challenge API. I get a list of players and I can use it later. But what I was working on today was an easy way to spot banned people, because we have a list of people who are banned from the tournaments. So what I did was, here I have a list of challenge accounts. Basically, you have usernames and you have ranked IDs because those are unique in an organization. And I also have a few hidden columns here, and there are also banned accounts there as well. And what I'm basically doing is like checking if the banned account isn't like one of the accounts that are in the tournament. But here's the magic that happens. What you see is just a regular table, right? Just a table. Nothing happening here, just looking up some data, everything is fine. But what's actually happening here is there are two queries here that are merged together. And there are some empty rows as well, don't worry about that. But what those queries do is after each of those like list of players, they add all the banned accounts. So if one of the banned accounts is here and is also here, like it will notify. So for example, like we have whatever, let's copy one. And it will notify us that this account is already on the list. But as you see, there's something weird happening. What is this? What is this happening? That is because I decided like I only want to see this data. I don't need all of this data of banned accounts. Why? So what I did was I added all these empty columns that you can see here. So there is no player ID because they didn't play in this tournament, so they don't have an ID. So if they don't have an ID, I just use simple conditional formatting to basically just make them invisible. And yeah, success!